This is David Tugume again. I'm going to show you how to clear your temporary files or cache in your browser, Google Chrome, to make it faster. Sometimes it hangs, and sometimes it shows that internet cannot be reached, something like this. So what you do is you come to these three dots on the top right corner, click on them, click history, and then click that history tab. This will pop up. Then on the left side, you'll see clear browsing data. Click on it, and then clearing browse data pop-up will come, and then preferably choose all time and then go to advanced. So you will see different things. You can clear browsing history, download history, cookies. Now this is where most cache and files are kept, the cache images and files. You can leave your passwords, but then all these other autofills, you can clear them by clicking on that clear data button. Should take a few seconds. Then click OK, and then come back to this three dots, click exit, get your Chrome up again, and at this point it should be better and faster. Thank you.